Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to resize wallpaper in your Android phone. So at first open up your gallery app and then choose the wallpaper that you want to resize and set. If I open this, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then tap on set as wallpaper and then choose any option as you want. If I select home screen, now from here you can resize your wallpaper and you can set any size as you want. Now if you tap on frame option, now from here you can add frame on the wallpaper and you can add any frame as you like. If I select it, if you want to change color, just tap on color and then choose any color as you like. Then tap on done and it's done. Now just go to home screen and that's it. You can see you have successfully resized and set wallpaper. And that is how you can resize wallpaper in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.